I also have this camera right here on this side to show you. Anyways, let's just open this. K-Town for You. I bought it from K-Town for You. I pre-ordered it. Yeah. Apparently it came with a folded poster. Why is she bubble wrapped? Why did they fold it like this? Honestly, why? Wow. Camera number 2. Camera number 1. Anyways, we're all here for this. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. Is she focused? I've never had a virtual thingy majigger before. But like I can't get her out. Ugh. That was tiring. Cool. Hey, it has a stand in the back. I guess you're supposed to stand this up. Let's check out the, what the heck is this called? The booklet. If I can just get it out. Cool. They're all out of order, but okay. I guess we get their like signature thing. There's nothing on the back. Then we have downs. Yu-Tang. In-song. Romy. Hyung. Jane. Oop, Jane stuck to Zulu for some reason. Then Zulu. Then Chani. Hopefully that camera's focused because yeah. And then this sticker. Looks like a sticker. Glossy sticker. And then the booklet. See, this design looks like a pilot thingy. I'm guessing lyrics. Wait, let me see. No, these are not lyrics. These are like summaries. I don't know how, like an introduction to the, like explanation to the songs. I don't know. It's in Korean. She can't read. She's not literate. Yobin. Oh, this is gonna be hard. The coloring. Wow. Is that in-song? Everything's upside down. I can't freaking see. It looks like everybody's in order. I'm been in-song Jaeyoon. Daewon, Roon, Jooho. Daewon. Ooh. I'm guessing it looks like there's instructions. Alright, let's check out this photo card that was just laying here. Photo card and serial card number. Cool, cool. This is what it looks like on the back, the front. Cool. Cool, my serial number. I shall hide that over here. And here are the photo cards. Hopefully you can see them. The back. Maybe I should do it like this. Oh, snap. Wait, why is Jane last? Alright, here's the monster. So she looks like a regular, like, VR set thingy. Feels really nice, but the front is very plasticky, if you can hear that. I don't really know how to use these things, so we might be in trouble. And then we have, like, I guess cleaning supplies to clean the lens. And then that's it. We're just gonna watch the teaser. I can't do anything. I don't even know how to contact them to like help me fix this. I'm scared. Well, there's that. I guess I can still use it for other things. I also still have no idea how to like stick my phone in this. Like how holy shit, that scared me. Okay, cool. I just took out a tray. I figured it out. You need to like, there's like this pulley thingy, I guess. I guess I'm supposed to stick my phone in there. Boom, nice. Turn on Bixby. So I started watching YouTube videos on it, which is great. It looks like I'm in a movie theater. But the glasses is so freaking heavy, and it's like squishing my face and like doing this, and my cheeks is like dragging down. Why? Why are we here to suffer?